Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So tonight's video is about this motor here. It's an attraction motor. This was my original prototype I built probably 8-10 years ago, and some people wanted it, so here's the new one, and it's for sale. All black starboard. It has two 1-pound coils, 3 strand, so 2 for power and 1 for output. Here's the circuit. It's got optical timing. This is the primary circuit output with the silicon carbide diode coming through here, and then you also have the secondary output, so you could actually route it right back into your first battery. I put a little switch right here, that way you could use pulse width modulation from the Arduino, or you could just turn this on and it gives it full power just to run it idle. Yeah, pretty nice clean little circuit. There's a little fuse right there, 10 amp fuse, and it spins real nice. There's no magnets on this for those of you who aren't familiar with it. This is just steel. This is all mild steel, and it's made handcrafted starboard, stainless steel rotor, stainless steel bearings, shaft collars. Yeah, pretty neat. And this will be on my store on the kenergy.store. These will also be available, these little cap discharges that you'll be seeing in the video here. So yeah, let's fire this up and you guys can see how she goes. So this is not a self-starting motor, so you just give it a little spin and start turning up the speed control. And this is the amperage that we're using over here. This is the output from a little cap dump, and then this is the amp meter, so you know it's using about a half an amp, and then the output pulses backwards into the first battery to offset some of the usage. And bring this up to speed here. So this motor does 4,000 RPMs with no load. It's about 1.2 with no load, but it's quite powerful. I mean, I can't stop it without burning my fingers off. And if you don't have a speed control, you just hit this little switch right here and it takes off full power, so you actually don't even need this. But it's nice to have the speed control to where you don't use the full power of it. You could dim it down to about an amp and get a lot more output out of it. So just switch this over here. So yeah, if you're about 1 amp, it's probably your best output. Output versus power. So you could still run a load off of this, and then you have, like I said, the 2 outputs. So this one's not being used. You could actually pull some of it off both of them, but if you just want that nice crisp spike, it's more efficient to run it off the primary circuit, but it's not isolated, so you can't go here. You have to go to a second battery on the output. But this output, there's a full bridge rectifier right here. You could go whichever way you want. You could go back to the primary circuit battery or secondary. And so yeah, pretty neat little motor. You can check it out on my new store. I have a couple circuits, couple cap dumps on there at the moment. So yeah, check it out. Thanks for watching.